Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this Minnie Winnie. It's a 22 footer, short, non-slide, C-class, really nice. Price point is excellent also. Come around, let me show you here. Nice coach. Come on in, guys. All right. For a small, tiny, short, RV, look behind you here. We got a big, huge bed with a TV. Look at that. You know, some privacy with a curtain on it. Pretty cool stuff. You got a dinette here. That becomes a bed also. This is a big size one. They did a good job with this floor plan. Look at this huge storage. I mean, for a small coach, really, there's lots and lots of storage. Come on in here, look at this closet. I mean, literally, you got a closet, hang your clothes, what have you. Pretty cool. Here is our bathroom, folks. Come on in here, look at that enclosed shower. Really nice mirror up there with a fan on top. Pretty cool. Corner bed right there, and that some people, there is a good stuff, bad, whatever about a corner bed, but for a short coach like this, see, that's the design, really. Nice fridge right here. Look at that. And a freezer. Actually, you can see what's going on around there. Pretty cool. This one got an oven and a stove. Look at that. For a small pizza maybe or something like that. Good stuff. And a nice big sink. Okay, look at that, folks. Really nice. I like that, with a nice touch here with this window. And there's more to talk about this coach. Come on outside, let me show you more. Again, there you go with your power awning, LED lights, of course, push a button. Pretty cool to have, hang out. Look at this, folks, really nice storage right there. Look at that, there's some cargo management, and you have access both sides. And as we go through here, of course, we got your ladder right here, so you can go up there. That means it's a walk-on roof. That's what that means when you see a ladder. You can check for debris, what have you. Pretty cool, good stuff. Tow package right there. This is, if you want to tow, a little car behind you that goes up to 5,000 pounds. There's more to talk about this coach. Please give me a call. My name is Dib, 541-515-1237. Thank you.